Nalin Kohli.
Pawan, can I?
Absolutely, I'll come straight to it. I can challenge it on this program, Mr. Goswami, that it will not be the Janata Dal United, it will not be the Samajwadi Party or others who will stand up in Parliament and say, government, let us work together and come out with a strong anti-terror law. Let us work together to see that it's not misused. Let us not politicize it. But they will find isolated cases, despite an Ishrat Jahan being celebrated by the LET website. That won't be ever mentioned about. Despite a whole series of 10 years of illegal terrorism, if I may use, by motivated people, despite those who fought this. Sir, let me finish it, sir. Let me just finish it. Despite the fact that those who are raising questions today are finding themselves answerable for all the rights, despite all the stuff that was said in the Hang on, Mr. Verma, Mr. Verma, you can obfuscate the fight. No, leave my ministers out. Leave my ministers out. Leave the ministers out. We'll do a debate on it. But would you ever, would you like to see India compromise in the fight for terror just because you know you have no answers for your party? Would you like to take this fight to such an extent, Mr. Verma, that you are willing? I am sorry, I take offense. By that language, you are perpetrating it, Mr. Verma. I am sorry to say that. What do you mean by provoking? By not letting the Bihar police interrogate the IM founders? You feel that this is how it is going to be fought? What is this, Mr. Verma? The point is, can we join together and can we fight terrorism? Or are we going to score points?
Pawan Verma, you are making a series of unfortunate observations in the course of a program. Of course, you are a senior politician. You have been in public life, and you have a right to make. No, I just clarify, and then Gaurav Bhatia, I'm giving you the floor. No, 1 second. But I find today, Pawan Verma, that you know, 1 second. You say this is wrong. You say this is hysteria. I think I ask a very relevant question which is in the minds of everyone. Has the fight against terrorism in India been held hostage to vote bank politics? Has the fight against terrorism in India been stuck in a religious trapping? Has every political party, many political parties, including the BJP and all others, used terrorism to push their own agenda for creating and dividing vote banks? And does this make us more vulnerable or less vulnerable? Does the person watching the news app become more or less vulnerable than this? That's my only question tonight. I am not achieving any narrow or shallow purpose, Pawan Verma. I am placing it on record. Gaurav Bhatia wants to respond to Nalin Kohli. Gaurav Bhatia, please, Gaurav Bhatia. Yes, floor is yours. Gaurav Bhatia to Nalin Kohli.
I don't disagree with you, Arnab.
Arnab, we might have we might have different It says, no, my point is this, your screen even right now says BJP politicizing, when I never said BJP is politicizing, because I want to make this point that all political parties are together when it comes to terrorism.
And I completely reject. No. 1 second. One second. No. I might say so, Gaurav Bhatia. I completely reject that claim. I'd say today, if you lack the courage, I'll say. No, 1 minute.
Why political party?
Nalin Kohli, 1 minute. If Gaurav Bhatia.
Why is your screen saying?
If Gaurav Bhatia, you don't want to be critical of the BJP, God knows which political side you're on. That's not the question. I'd say tonight, I'm not afraid.
No, I'm saying something else.
I'm saying tonight the BJP has politicized it.
BJP.
Has the BJP not politicized it?
A larger point that why can't all the political parties come together to fight terrorism?
Mr. Bhatia.
And the Samajwadi Party is ready to do it.
Hear me for a minute. I want to ask the BJP. First, you don't want to take on the BJP, best of luck to you. I'll take on all of you. I'll take on all political parties tonight, and I know even Shahid Siddiqui will not stand by me.
It's not,
but
see,
I don't
again,
care.
you are politicizing.
I'll tell you this.
You want it to be reduced to
Gaurav,
a trivial
no, I'm
debate
not.
where we start targeting each other.
Gaurav, no.
And I'm saying we don't want that.
Gaurav, no.
We want all political parties
Gaurav,
to come
no.
together.
Gaurav, no. All I'm saying, I'm showing the mirror, and I'm asking the BJP. I'm asking the BJP a very relevant question. Did the BJP take on the Shiv Sena when it promised legal aid to the suspects of the Malegaon blast? Did they do that?
No,
Why didn't you?
not at all.
Okay.
I
So,
don't
no,
recall
so that's fine.
asking you.
No,
No,
how did
I
the
didn't.
BJP react?
I
Let me
don't
ask you a
recall
counter
that.
question. One
But
more.
at the same time-
One more. How did the BJP react when the Ajmer blast accused Bhavesh Patel's claimed meeting Home Minister Sushil Kumar Shinde, Minister of State for RPN Singh, etc., who wanted him to name the RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat and another top functionary Indresh Kumar?
Now, this one I'm not aware of.
You're not aware. Of course you're not. I'll tell you. Did you cry conspiracy when Sangh
I'm
affiliates
not.
are
I'm not.
accused
If
of
I'm
terror?
not, I'm not.
What was your position in the case of
Yes,
Kamal
now
Chauhan?
we'll come, yes.
What
Now
was
we'll
your
come to- yeah,
position
we'll
in the
come to
case
the
of
case. We'll
Swami
come to the
Asivana?
case.
Arnab, but
that.
Why do you
I'm coming
politicize
to
it?
that. I'm answering it myself.
You can target
Hang on.
each party one by
Absolutely.
one.
On
But I think
Sadhvi
you are
Why should I not?
criminalizing the
When
debate.
Sadhvi Pragya's case came up, and it was very specific. It was on the question of not whether law will find it or not. But Mr. Rajnath Singh had specifically said it's about denial of treatment to someone who was suffering from cancer. And that was absolutely unequivocally on this record. We've never said you don't try anybody. We've said let law take its course. If there are loopholes in the law, we can fight to get rid of the loopholes. But are we going to throw the law outside just because we want to build on insecurities? Number two, let's not forget, we lost an Indian Prime Minister to terrorism, Rajiv Gandhi. It's not about the BJP
so
or
what's
the
the point?
Congress. We lost Indira Gandhi to an assassin's bullets. So therefore, my
Have we
point
learned-
is,
have we
that
learned-
if there are
have we
inadequacies
learned-
in the law,
Have
I'm
we
not
learned
so
from
sure.
it? Have we
I'm not
learned
so
from
sure.
it?
And Arnab,
No, I'm not so
Arnab,
sure.
Have we learned from it? Shahid Siddiqui, have we
Arnab,
learned from it?
No, Mr. Goswami, I'm not so
I'll give
sure.
you an example,
And I
Arnab.
hope that
Arnab,
we do learn from
quota-
it.
No, one second. Gaurav
Because at
Bhatia,
the
before I
end of the
come
day,
to you,
a
my
Muslim
question
or a Hindu
My
will
que-
like to
Arnab,
sleep
You
more
must
safe,
appreciate
not looking
that
at
even
anything
before
else.
the world had heard of terrorism, we were facing terrorism from 80s onwards. For
Yes.
the last 30 years, we have been facing terrorism in this country. and in spite of that, not only our politicians, our
Arnab.
media, our intellectuals, but more than anyone else, more than our soldiers, our common man has
Sir, you are
stood up
again-
to this terrorism.
don't
and that's
push
why we
everything
have
to
been
the
able
common
to
man.
succeed in
Is it the
Punjab,
common?
in
Is it the
Kashmir,
common man who
and
says Indian
elsewhere.
Mujahideen does not exist?
We must
Arnab,
appreciate
No,
that.
is it the
Can I
common
not
man
be
who says
negative
Indian
all the time?
Mujahideen
We
does
also
not
be
exist?
positive.
Gives you a cover. No, one second.
Be positive.
Shahid
Common man have a choice.
Shahid Siddiqui, my question is, does the common man say Indian
Arnab.
Mujahideen
People
does not
will
exist?
exploit, but people are not
Arnab.
exploited. They try to divide, but people are not divided.
Who have tried to divide? Accepted that all political parties have. At least let me have an honest confession on the
Politicians tried to
program.
divide, but
Arnab.
people were not divided. Parties tried to exploit, but people were not exploited on these issues. I have seen after in Varanasi, when the bomb blast took place, in Mandars, Hindus and Muslims came together to pick up and to help those.
I'm really sorry,
I have seen
Shahid
again and
Siddiqui.
again and again.
Shahid Siddiqui,
At
I'm very
some
sorry
point,
if you want to
everybody has
avoid
come
the issue.
together.
Arnab, can I just...
No, if you want to avoid the issue
I'm not
altogether,
avoiding
it's
the
fine.
issue. You are avoiding the issue.
I'm not
Arnab,
avoiding
one
the issue.
important point.
I am.
Arnab, there was an
Let's
anti-terrorist...
not create a hysteria
Arnab.
on this.
You know,
We have succeeded where the world has failed.
Please
Let
do not.
Australia
No,
have
first
the
of all,
10 attacks
first
of
of all,
this kind.
Shahid Siddiqui,
We'll see the
Shahid
Australia and
Siddiqui,
Australia.
don't
We are
compliment
a
yourself.
different nation.
Don't compliment yourself. There was a time and there is still a time when political
I am
parties were
complimenting
racing with
Indians.
each other to say
Arnab
the
Goswami,
Indian
I am complimenting
Mujahideen does
you.
not exist. Today I say, will you say the Indian Mujahideen does not exist despite it killing 26 people, injuring 130 others in the 2011 Mumbai blast?
Of course they exist.
9 blasts in Jaipur on May 13, 2008.
They exist. But at the same time, don't use Indian Mujahideen
No, I am not. I am showing you the mirror. I am saying today, name any other country in the world where politicians say terror groups which exist don't exist. It's
Arnab,
only India.
can I just
GD
make
Bakshi.
two points?
It's an
GD
insult
Bakshi
to the citizens. It's not
Arnab,
for the politicians.
can I come in,
It's an
please?
insult to the citizens. I mean, look at it, honestly, just for a second. Look at it, whether from a Muslim's perspective or a Hindu's Muslim perspective, to be identified with a terrorist group. I mean, so therefore, as far as the citizens they do not want to look at this. I'm not making any fleeting remarks, Mr. Siddiqui. I'm only pointing out a point that I feel that I should. Why do you call it a fleeting remark?
Mr. Arnab Goswami.
I'm making one second, Shahid Siddiqui, I have absolutely no qualms if all of you get together and take me on.
The nation knows that.
I am ready to speak the truth. I am telling you, it's only in India that there is this level of politics on terrorism. I'll keep saying it. I'll keep saying it.
Never been black and white.
You may not accept it. I put that question to all our viewers
Arnab,
today.
can I just come in and make a point, please?
Gaurav, after GD Bakshi. After GD Bakshi, Gaurav. GD Bakshi.
You know, Arnab, Arnab, Mr. Pawan Verma made a very pertinent point that do you think that the armed forces, the security forces should never be questioned? I totally grant that. All that I am trying to say is, Mr. Verma, the situation for the armed forces, the security forces is comments like every encounter should be treated as fake till proved otherwise. Please see the difference between these two mindsets. The second one is disastrous for any counter-terrorist campaign in any country of the world. And I'm sure a person of your experience and eminence will accept that such kind of statements, when they emanate from political quarters, absolutely demoralize your troops, your policemen, your security personnel whose life is on the line. Retail disbelief, wholesale accusations. And these are only, we have had cases in Jammu and Kashmir where we were accused of human rights violation. 1,780 of these were compiled and given to the Human Rights Commission in India. And you will be surprised to learn that 97.4% were found to be false. Against the 2-point-some% that were actually found true, we went and court-martialed over 100 officers, JCOs and men.
I don't understand,
Mr. are quite sensitive.
I don't quite.
But this kind of a retail disbelief, that is what we are objecting to.
Pawan Verma should respond. No. Pawan Verma will respond. Pawan Verma can respond, and therefore the argument being made that from Batla House in Delhi, 2 terror attacks in Karnataka, 2 terror attacks in Kashmir, there has always been a political constituency that is willing to sacrifice the interests of the citizen and also the commitment of the forces and take indirectly or directly support those who actually create, build and benefit from the terror infrastructure. Pawan Verma, do respond to that point of General Bakshi. Yes, please.
General Bakshi, let me say I have great respect for you as a soldier and a statesman. I want to give you an answer which I believe is, from my count, consonant with democracy and the kind of country we are. First of all, I agree with you that it's wrong as a reflex to question any action taken by our security forces. Secondly, and equally I believe, that all civilized societies should have the possibility of questioning those encounters which appear to be on the excess of law. To ask that question is not meant to demoralize the security forces, but these are the inherent checks and balances of a democracy. If we choose to be another kind of polity, I would say we would give a blank check to our security forces in any circumstance.
No,
and I believe they need to get the full support. However, we have a judiciary. Everyone has a right. Suppose a person is picked up and accused to be a terrorist. Do we shoot him dead or do we?
Certainly not. You are going to the other extreme. Who's saying that?
These are the checks and balances of a civilized society.
Who is even making that point?
Ultimately, it is that civilized society which will be the biggest bulwark against terrorism.
One second. Gaurav Bhatia and Ajay Kumar. Ajay, I think we've got the line back with you, so I am going to come to you. My point is, GD Bakshi, let's...
One sec.
GD Bakshi, one sec.
Again and again and again.
One sec.
Everybody, by the media, by the
can I make my point?
Shahid Siddiqui, How can you be so blindfolded? Let me give you,
CIA,
you know, you want the viewers to
do not give the freedom to CIA to do what they want to do.
Let me.
But
Okay,
at
so
the
Mr.
same
Shahid
time,
Siddiqui,
it has to be.
Mr. Siddiqui,
you know,
first of all,
big question. That is the fundamental of a democracy.
That is the point that I just made.
one second, please. Ajay
No,
Kumar.
who has asked for that freedom?
No, nobody has. The Supreme Court, for example, let's share a few facts with Shahid Siddiqui today, since he's going on and on at that point. He was in the Samajwadi Party. The Supreme Court dismissed a plea for a judicial inquiry into the Batla House encounter. In October 2009, they did that. That did not stop the Samajwadi Party, of which Mr. Shahid Siddiqui was a member, of which Mr. Gaurav Bhatia is a spokesperson, from milking the issue.
Not at that point
From
of time.
milking the issue.
Not
No,
at
whatever.
that point
From
of time.
milking the
And
issue.
I have never supported.
From
I have
milking
never
the issue.
supported
Let me
Batla
complete.
House
Let me
inquiry.
complete.
I have
Let me
always said it should
complete.
be inquired into and
Let
action
me
should be
complete.
taken.
Do-
No.
Let me complete. The Samajwadi
No,
Party
you are
milked
making
the
false
issue in the
allegations.
run-up to the UP elections
No, why
and the
should
Lok
you be
Sabha
allowed to
elections.
complete?
What did
Because
that
you
prove?
own the channel, you can say anything.
What did that prove? That proved only one thing. That when it comes
I mean, you're
to
making
you,
false allegations.
I'm not making a single false allegation. I'm talking about the Samajwadi Party milking the Batla House
Yes.
encounter. Am I wrong?
Absolutely.
Am I wrong?
was not in Samajwadi Party.
Am I wrong?
The time I was in BSP.
Am I
when
wrong?
this
So you've
happened.
shifted
And I
parties.
never
That's not my
supported it.
problem. Am I wrong in the point?
It was Digvijay Singh. It
Did
was
the-
Digvijay Singh. It was Rahul
Okay,
Gandhi.
so we'll
It was
did
those who were in power at
did
that
the
time
Samajwadi
who were
Party.
talking this.
So here's the question
who
to
are
you.
making these
Here's the
false
question tonight. All
statements.
political parties, everyone on the panel says I'm wrong, and I continue to say this, that political parties have used terrorism for political reasons. Can Gaurav Bhatia deny that his party showed utter disregard to the Supreme Court by milking the Batla House encounter in the run-up to the UP elections and the Lok Sabha elections? Can Gaurav Bhatia deny that? Can he deny that? Why are you quiet now, Mr. Bhatia? Mr. Bhatia, can't you hear me now?
Arnab, I was quiet because I wanted you to be quiet, and let me just say this, I will leave your debate today with a very heavy heart. Not because
That's
I
all
don't
right.
have the answers, but because you did not permit me
I
to
have
give
asked
those.
you a question and I expect an answer.
And what I want to say tonight, I don't want to trivialize your debate.
No, I have asked you a question and I expect a clear answer.
I will
Sir, did
answer-
you politicize the Batla House encounter or not, despite the Supreme Court dismissing a plea for a judicial inquiry into it? Did you or did you not continue to politicize it in the UP elections and the general elections? It's not a shallow question, it's a pertinent question, and I do
Arnab,
expect a reply from you. Please tell me.
I wasn't on this question, and I will answer if you only allow me to speak uninterrupted. First of all, the Samajwadi Party never politicized the issue. In fact, it raised the issue because the media was also showing the same.
Please.
And just because
please.
the Honorable Supreme Court rejects a plea for a judicial inquiry does not mean that the reports that were coming out in the media at that time should not have been raised by a political party.
Fine.
It was not because a particular religion was involved, but it was raised because
I'll tell you, politics was involved.
And it would be done again.
No, I'll tell you, politics was
irrespective of
involved.
The religion of the person.
No, politics was
now,
involved.
don't
Politics
speak over
was
me,
involved.
Arnab.
Politics was
Don't
involved.
Politics
speak
was
over me.
involved.
Don't-
Sir, politics
I
was
request
involved.
You,
Sir, I am not. I am being direct. Politics was involved.
Don't be uncivilized, Arnab.
Sir, please don't teach me what is being
speak over
civilized and
me.
uncivilized.
I do
Answer
not
my question.
appreciate-
Politics
I do
was
not
involved,
appreciate
was it
when you
not?
try to speak
Mr.
over me.
Bhatia, was politics involved?
No, please. Politics was not involved.
Really?
For every citizen's fundamental right, if there is a media report that shows that there is a fake encounter,
In
any
2009,
political party is
in
free
2009,
to raise that
the
issue.
Supreme- okay,
and
so,
please,
Mr.
don't try to
Mr.
try to portray the Samajwadi Party in poor light.
You see, Mr.
for doing
Bhatia,
that
I am
when
neither-
the media itself was showing reports.
Mr. Bhatia, Mr.
You
Bhatia,
can probably go back and see what the media was showing at that time.
Mr. Bhatia, you know, I'll tell you, I am not in the business of trying to show politicians in a good or a bad light. You can try that.
Arnab, I just want to make one point
Yes, one
before
point to you.
I leave.
No,
the
Mr. Bhatia, you
debate.
must listen. It can't be one-way traffic.
That's an important
No, it
point.
can't be
Can I just
one-way
make that
traffic. You're not
point?
listening to a question. The question is very simple.
it's not.
No,
It
the
has
question
been
is
one-way
simple.
traffic
Mr.
because
Bhatia,
you've
can
been
you
speaking.
please listen? Can you
Be-
listen to
be
a question?
generous to your
Can you,
panelists,
for a
Arnab.
change, listen to
Be
a question?
generous to
Why
your
don't you
panelists.
listen to a question? Why don't
I
you
have
listen
been
to a
listening
question?
to you.
Protest every
This
question,
is
you
very
won't answer
unfair.
any.
Okay, I register my protest.
Okay, so
Incivility,
listen to
now
the
you
other
can
side,
speak.
please. The point is very simple. In the history of contemporary India, the Batla House encounter, which was carried out by the Indian Mujahideen, is going to go into history as one of those cases where the hypocrisy of political parties was shown, where they carried out a campaign raising questions over the encounter and kept the issue alive for vote bank politics. That's my position. You can disagree with it. Nalin Kohli has a counter question. Nalin Kohli.
But
The
Arnab,
Samajwadi Party did not do it.
Oh, you did it. 100% you did it.
Now,
Nalin
if you,
Kohli.
can I respond to that, please?
Nalin Kohli.
At least have
100%
the
you did it.
decency to allow me
100%
time
you
to
did it.
respond to that.
No, one sec. Please have the decency to listen to others.
Let
Nalin
me put it
Kohli.
like this.
Arnab,
Can I
One
respond
point.
to that?
Just one
Nalin
point.
Kohli,
Before
please
you
let
go
him
to
speak
Mr.
before you
Nalin
respond.
Kohli, I would like to respond to that.
Just a
And
moment.
let's-
Mr.
Nalin Kohli.
Bhatia,
Let's
Mr.
not
Bhatia.
have this
Mr.
debate
Bhatia, then do.
in
Let
such
me
a
just make a
haphazard
point.
manner where you
It
make your
takes
comment and
a
then you
lot.
go to the other
It
It
panelists.
takes
I do not
courage of the
appreciate that.
highest level. It takes commitment of a unique quality to be able to take a bullet for your country. Whether it's a soldier, whether it's a police officer, whether it's anyone. There are good human beings, bad human beings. There may be isolated cases of police officers going wrong, of army men going wrong, but it takes a lot to take a bullet and die to protect someone you don't even know, which may be you, me, or somebody else. And therefore, when we trivialize it or when we start politicizing it, we kill the will to fight terror. You can't kill the will because this has to be fought at every level. There is the society, there is law, there's those who go out there to fight it physically. It's not easy. So we can't break that will.
Arnab,
I'd like Ajay Kumar to respond. Ajay Kumar.
Arnab, you know, the whole discussion is that there will be, like what Pawan said, there will be incidences which have to be brought up. It doesn't mean that you're not with the security forces or the police or you're anti-national. That is a part of the political system, like an encounter in the Naxal areas. Who's going to speak if it was right or wrong?
Really? So,
And that
Union
is the
Minister
process.
in your government says the Indian Mujahideen does not exist because Muslims don't think it exists?
No, first question is that.
No, first question, do you answer that?
Arnab, now,
Answer that before
I
you
just
ask a
want to
counter
make
question.
one quick point.
No, first,
Arnab,
Ajay Kumar must
I
answer that.
remember-
Ajay Kumar, no, question is to Ajay Kumar. Ajay Kumar,
Arnab, I remember
No,
a
Ajay
few
Kumar.
months back.
Ajay Kumar, why did your government take a position?
Just
Your
a quick
minister
point, Mr.
said
Goswami. Just a
Muslims
quick
in
point,
India
please.
don't believe the Indian Mujahideen
If an
exists.
officer or an armed force person does wrong, we should punish them strongly. Of course we should. But you don't
can I
break the
complete
will.
it?
My point
But
is
no,
different
one
is
sec.
that when you brand them all together, the problem comes. Of course, democracy has to have
But
its checks and balances.
Arnab,
But you don't
Mr.
throw the
Nalin
law
Kohli
out
is saying
just
we should
because
punish.
it's politically not
I
favorable.
just want to point out one thing.
Nalin, one sec. First of all, Arnab, the biggest danger is that the BJP wants to
Arnab,
cover
it is
themselves in a mantle.
absolutely
No,
right
one
what
sec.
Mr. Nalin Kohli is saying right now.
Now, can Ajay
Can I
Kumar
complete it?
respond, Gaurav, for a minute, please? Can he get your indulgence for a minute? Can he be allowed to speak?
Repealed.
So, Arnab, first of all, I think there is no political party who can deny the fact that you need a strong terrorist action against terrorist group. Everybody's on the same page. The danger is that the Bharatiya Janata Party wants to cover themselves in a mantle of jingoism and patriotism and paint others. That's absolutely false. So the first issue is that everybody
Did the
agrees
Congress
whether
bring
or-
an anti-terrorism mechanism in the last 10 years? Why don't you tell us?
One sec. So let me complete.
Did the Congress speak in different voices on the issue of terrorism? Did the Congress leaders... Sure, please.
Nalin Kohli, let him complete.
Please.
Let me complete.
Please,
First
please.
of all, on Pota, let me
go
tell you
ahead.
on Pota.
It was the-
Let me
it
tell
was
you
the
one sec. Let me
BJP
tell you on
minister who
Pota.
took escorted
Can I
three
complete?
Yes,
Pawanji,
Yes,
on Pota, it was Mr.
Arnab,
Advani
can
who
I
said that
comment?
mistakes were made. First question is that you continuously say Pota. You made Pota with so many loopholes. The problem was that if you make a strong terrorist activity,
I'll answer.
Yeah, continue. You're on, Ajay Kumar. I can hear you. Line got disconnected. Why
Just
Ajay
a
Kumar
quick
was...
answer to that. If there were loopholes
Can
in
I
Puta, did
Arnab,
anybody
can I
bring a
comment?
suggestion to strengthen it or to improve it? They said, let's remove it. Number two, Mr. Verma just in between interjected to say it was a BJP
Arnab.
minister who escorted, and he was referring to the Kandahar IC 817 incident. So, Mr. Verma, will you go ahead and say that you unequivocally stand that those 200 odd passengers should have been killed by the Taliban in Kabul? Why didn't you say that and
Pawan
tell us this
Verma.
was the option that you wanted exercised?
Let me answer. Nalin, either you cannot have it both sides of the bread. either you say that irrespective of the possibility of nuances or grey areas, you take a hard stand against terrorism. The POTA law may have inadequacies, may have inbuilt possibilities of falling prey to excess, but we must have a law, and anybody who questions it is questioning our resolve to fight terrorism. So I put this charge to you. If you believe in the strong stand, there are examples of countries who have not given up terrorists to their enemies and were prepared to face the consequences.
I will answer that, Mr. Verma. I will answer
So don't take the moral high ground.
Mr. Verma.
I think all parties need to introspect.
No, I will
think all
answer
parties need to introspect and
I will
don't
answer
point
that.
an accusing finger to others. I agree with what Arnab is saying, that all political parties could introspect on this, and certainly they could all
That's all I'm
cooperate
saying.
in strengthening our mechanisms to fight against terror.
That's Mr. Verma. That's all I'm saying. And whatever I received in response, you say I've been hysterical in asking the question. In this country, you take on every single political party, they point the finger back at you. You see, the point is, there has been a problem.
In between you have become hysterical.
No, Mr. Verma, we need to address issues that are facing us collectively and with seriousness.
Don't get so upset.
Collectively and with seriousness, and that's why I'm saying tonight.
Just quickly, Mr. Goswami.
That I agree.
We all need to do that, but Ajay Kumar got interrupted.
Mr. Goswami, just a moment. Mr. Verma, just a quick point. You do have broadly a policy. But there are circumstances, there are situations where, when you are faced with these circumstances, you take what may be seen later on as a bad decision, but you take a decision.
Yeah.
You do take a decision looking at the totality.
Okay.
But you can't
while
people can question it,
politically
I don't want to question your bona fides.
Can I come in, please?
All I'm saying is don't take so much the moral high ground. And please, Nalin, I request you, rein in the lunatic, rabid communal elements in your party. Otherwise, they will add to the kind of communal tension in our country.
Absolutely, I second that.
Absolutely, of extremists on
absolutely, I second that, because one fringe feeds off the other. We all know this, Nalin Kohli. One fringe feeds off the other, and each fringe uses and justifies the actions of another fringe to carry out its own fringe activities, and that is what this country does not need. One second, Ajay Kumar got interrupted 1 minute in the debate. Ajay Kumar is responding. Nalin Kohli was making a point. What's after Ajay?
Can I complete it?
Yes, please.
The question is exactly what Pawan said. The fringe elements in all sides should be contained. All political parties should come on a common platform to have a strong anti-terrorist law. And the Bharatiya Janata Party should stop pretending that they are the actual patriots, because that's absolute false. The kind of laws they brought was full of loopholes, which was misused. Bring in a law which cannot be misused. Bring in a legislation which the poor and the needy will not be prosecuted instead of the terrorists.
These are things. These are,
Arnab, can I come in?
Okay, GD Bakshi.
May I answer that?
Arnab,
Let me answer that. Mr. Ajay Kumar, Mr. Ajay Kumar, that would have sounded convincing if in 10 years we had seen not the law being thrown out, but the law being strengthened. So are you expecting us to believe that the Congress party in 10 years didn't have a single legal luminary who could have strengthened the law, which you claim that the BJP bought, which was full of loopholes and was misused? You claim the law of the Congress should produce the luminary.
So I want to respond on
Ajay Kumar.
Responding. One second.
Ajay Kumar.
Unlawful Prevention Act 2004 had much more of the amendments which the POTA had failed. In fact, it made it more stringent. Like, the transcripts of the security agents being put in, which was not there in the POTA. So don't say that the UAP, the Unlawful Prevention Act of 2004 amendment, is not a strong act. You have created this myth across. You have created
why don't we speak on the aspect of evidence?
You have created this myth in this country.
Why don't we speak on the aspect of evidence? If you want to take it down the legal route, then we need to look at it in totality. Why don't we talk about the aspect of evidence?
Why don't you let me complete?
Of course.
Well, let me complete. The first question is that the POTA is a myth you are creating. The myth of POTA, the 2000 Unlawful Prevention Act of 2004 had stringent provisions. So don't go about, painting political parties as if you guys were the guys.
Sir,
the 2004
I began this. No. It's been 60 minutes into this debate, and I'd like to come in. I just want no. What's it? The debate can carry on. I'm a little short of time.
Can I come in, please?
No. What's it, gentlemen? Can I say something? You see, 60 minutes have passed into this debate. We began the debate by all of you pointing fingers back, saying, "What are you talking about?" But Gaurav, you realize 60 minutes into the debate, we all realize how all political parties have politicized terror in India. And tonight, Gaurav, look at those pictures from Sydney, Gaurav Bhatia, let it wake you up. Those pictures from Sydney, those pictures of all these people who are being brought out thankfully alive. And we also pray for the fact, and we thank God, that today the two Indians who were held there, both the Indians are safe. We have prayed for them collectively as a nation. They've come out safe.
But a life has also been lost. Beyond the terrorists who were shot dead, one more life has been lost.
Absolutely. But will we not realize how vulnerable we are tonight?
Everyone
we must have a strong terrorist
and I
law.
agree with Mr.
All
Pawan
political
Verma
parties.
when he said that all political parties are to introspect. And just a few months back when we saw ISIS flagged on Indian soil, I was the one on behalf of Samajwadi Party. I said we should crack down on these people. But have we done enough is the question. There is no politicization of terrorism.
So
all parties should come together. And I stand with Mr. Pawan Verma to say that we should introspect, that we don't get communal politics into terrorism.
Well, gentlemen, there has been so much radicalization.
And get there is so much, and ensure that we don't politicize it.
Why? My only takeaway from this is I'm happy that after debating this non-stop for 60 minutes, after being personally attacked in different ways by many of our panelists, we come to a conclusion. There is a link that people have drawn between terror and religion. Collectively, I say, let's fight that. Let's look at terrorism as terrorism, not through the lens of politics or religion. Thank you, gentlemen, for that inspiring debate on the News Hour tonight.
Thank you.